The value of 0. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. One day, a famous mathematician convened a meeting of numbers. All the numbers, except 0, came for the meeting. 0 was hiding in an unknown place. The mathematician ordered all the numbers, wherever 0 is, I want you to go and find him out, and bring him to this meeting immediately. All the numbers began to search for 0. At last, after a long search, they found him hiding himself behind a tree. The numbers caught hold of him and presented him before the mathematician. The mathematician called 0 to him and said, "Why were you hiding? Why were you afraid to attend the meeting of numbers?" 0 started crying and said in a broken voice, "Sir, I am 0, according to people, I have no value and so no one cares for me or respects me. This hurts me a lot, that is the reason why I was not inclined to attend this meeting. I hid myself behind a tree so that no one could find me." The mathematician thought for a while and called the number 1, and asked him to stand in front of him. Looking at 0, the mathematician asked him, "Tell me, 0, what is the value of this number?" 1, replied 0. The mathematician then asked 0 to stand to the right of 1. Looking at the other numbers, he asked them, "What is the value of this number?" 10, replied all the numbers in unison. The mathematician then asked all the zeros to stand to the right of 1, one after the other. Every time a 0 was added to the right of 1, the mathematician would ask the other numbers the value of 1. As the number of zeros increased, the value of 1 also increased, that is to 100, 1,000, 10,000, a lakh and so on. The mathematician said to the zeros, "When each of you stood to the right of 1, one after the other, the value of 1 increased. From 1, its value became 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, a lakh, and so on. Any number by itself has very little value. Its value increases only when another number is put beside it. You think that all by yourself, you have very little value. But when you come along with some other number, you increase not only your own value, but also that of the other number. Didn't I just prove that to you?" 0 understood the point made by the mathematician. He was happy that the notion of the people that 0 has no value was baseless and wrong. Every man and everything on this earth is important. Never ignore anyone or anything. When we join others, we enhance not only our own value and strength but also that of the others. Always work unitedly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.